Meta AI on Instagram faced massive user backlash in 2024 for an alarming deepfake feature, leading to its dramatic removal. This controversial Instagram AI update, designed to showcase Meta's generative AI capabilities, initially allowed users to create photorealistic deepfakes by tagging public accounts. The ability to generate non-consensual digital replicas sparked immediate outrage, highlighting significant ethical concerns around AI technology. Many users were automatically opted into this feature, fueling the intense criticism that quickly forced Meta to respond. The company acknowledged that the Instagram AI deepfake tool missed the mark, signaling a rare and swift reversal due to public pressure. This incident underscores the ongoing challenges of integrating advanced AI tools like Meta's AI image model responsibly into social platforms. While other AI creation tools remain, the removal of this specific deepfake capability provides a crucial lesson in user consent and privacy. Discover why even major tech giants like Meta must prioritize user feedback when deploying powerful generative AI features. For the latest insights on AI ethics and technology, and to explore tools that safeguard digital identity, check out the links in the description below. This move by Meta in 2024 offers a glimpse into the future of AI regulation and user protection as we move into 2025.